So this is the question number 6 from CBSE midterm paper 2021, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. So in this particular question, four statements have been given to you and it has been asked which one is the incorrect regarding the opening a text file to write content into it. तो हमें क्या करना है? We need to open a text file and then write content into it. So for that, which one is the incorrect? Now, in order to answer this one, first of all, we need to be aware of the access mode in file handling. So I'll go quickly on the access mode. We have three major modes R, A and W. R is for reading, A is for appending the data, W is for writing. Okay, so read जो read mode है that allows only reading mode, and A and W both allows your writing operation. Then we have plus, which you can be used with the in conjunction with R, A and W. Plus mode लगाने से क्या होता है? It will allow you both the operation, reading as well as writing. Now coming back to our question, let's see the option by option. This one is the W mode. That means it allows us the write into the content, text into file. Then append mode also allows us to write the data into the text file. Then we do not have any such thing as A mode. As you recall, हमारा Python क्या है? Case sensitive है. That means जो small a है, it does not equals to capital A. That's why this one is the incorrect statement. Okay, W plus also gives you the writing operations in the text file. Okay, so for this question, option number C is the correct one. Now, based on the similar question, we have a practice question for you. Now, you need to tell in the comment box the differences between R plus and A plus mode. Okay, so we told you R क्या है read mode, A क्या है append mode. Now you need to tell कि R plus और A plus mode में क्या क्या differences हैं. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this question, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.